We are nearing Visabeira. For over 45 years, we've been an active part of something greater, shaping the landscape of telecommunications and energy infrastructure across Europe and the United States, building stronger and more connected communities, from remote villages to bustling cities. These infrastructures laid the foundations for unprecedented development. They unlock new challenges, from the first steps of digitalization to the full energy transition, from the first internet access to the ultimate smart grid technology, from renewable power plants to the electricity distribution network. They've changed how we live. They've redefined how we envision a better future for everyone. Today, partnering with leading telecom operators, energy utilities, service providers, manufacturers, and governments, we bring together the expertise of more than 8,500 professionals across 11 countries, united by a shared purpose. Bringing communities closer to their full potential by engineering integrated solutions for critical infrastructures and connected living. Together, we will shape a closer future for all by designing, installing, maintaining, and improving the critical infrastructures that sustain our global modern life. But there is more. At Nearing Visabeira, we're relentlessly going further, accelerating connected living by delivering next-generation solutions across key areas such as mobility, industry, business, health, and education. Driven by the dedication and responsiveness of our teams, we meet and exceed the expectations of the world's most demanding clients, industries, and markets. As we continuously challenge the communities we already serve and expand our presence worldwide, we partner with our clients to develop and implement future-proof solutions that keep transforming the way we live, enabling tomorrow what yesterday seemed impossible. From virtual reality classrooms and AI-powered diagnostics to smart energy and water management systems and circular economy platforms. We are nearing Visabeira, and we daily embrace a future where we endlessly grow closer, committed to championing faster, fairer, more integrated, and more sustainable development. For a tomorrow where no one is left behind. Nearing Visabeira, engineering a closer future.
Grupo Visabeira.